Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel Life with Lo. Thanks so much for coming by, and if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be part of my family. So in today's video, it's going to be something a little different. I am going to do a review on this Revlon brush. Just to let you know, this is not a sponsored video whatsoever. I bought this brush myself with my money, and I just wanted to do this review because I feel like sometimes people with curly hair like mine, sometimes these things don't work. So I really wanted to see if it works. So if you're interested in watching and knowing if this works for you or not, keep on watching. Okay, so it's very light, which is pretty awesome. So over here it has off, it has cool, it has, what is that, low and high. So high, low, cool, and off. So it has that, and then you see the Revlon sign right here, and then the brush, see how that is, very nicely done. And it's the fit of it. So it is very, very nice, and it's light, very lightweight, which is pretty awesome. And the cord, and what I did to my hair right now, I showered and I just have it on my towel. And your hair should not be like soaking wet, so it should be like damp. So it's been a couple of minutes. I did my my makeup and everything, so I'm just gonna brush it. Yeah, so I think it's not like wet. I'm just gonna brush my hair. So the towel just dry a little bit more. Now I got some clips. I'm just gonna divide my hair here in half. I'm gonna clip that like that, and then I'm gonna take a part right here. My hair is super long. To clip this over here. Let's give this a go. I'm like nervous, but I really hope this works. Okay, not bad. I just feel like the roots are not gonna be as good. Wow. Okay, I gotta continue. I gotta touch up on the roots. But look at this. Let me show you guys a little piece of my hair. So you see, I'll put you guys in the light more. It's my hair, and then, wow, I'm actually very impressed. Okay, well, let's keep on going because I have a lot of hair. Oh, look at that. That's awesome. That is really, really big. I'm very excited. looks like. You see? And then the only thing I'm like off about is like the roots. I'll probably have to do like a flat iron on like my roots to really get them straight, but this is what I have right now. Crazy. My hair grew like so much inches, but this is it right here. So right now I'm done, and this was just with the Revlon brush, and it's good. It's really good. I don't mind it. I just feel like I need to do some flat iron like right here on my roots, especially because of all my baby hairs that are growing. But not bad. Not bad at all. See the back? You see it? So it's not bad at all. Look at that. And actually right now I'm gonna do the flat iron so you guys could see the difference. But here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna do the flat iron now. All right, so I am done. I am loving the results. Like I said, it's not bad, but I did have to go with a flat iron just like on the roots just to get them because of all my baby hairs. But I'm loving it. Let me put so you guys could see more of it. Not bad at all. And of course, if you have like a wavy straight hair, this is perfect for you. Curly hair was good, like my type of texture, it was good. But like I said, just go over with the flat iron just to get those little roots. But other than that, this took me about, I think it was like half hour, 40 minutes to do it. So like I said, I have really thick hair. So I definitely recommend it. Really good. This was about like $56. So I guess it was worth it. I guess I'll go for it. I'm definitely gonna keep it and just practice more, and I think it will be really good in the long run, you know, with the twins and everything. You gotta do everything fast. So I'd highly recommend it. And like I said, if you have straight hair, this is perfect just to give you some volume. And if you have wavy hair, it's also good too. Curly hair was good, just put the flat iron afterwards. But other than that, you guys go check this out. I'm gonna post a link there for you guys so you guys could grab yourself one. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let me know below if you got one and how did you like it. And just take practice. So this was my first time doing it. I'm gonna keep on practicing and hopefully it becomes really good and I don't need a flat iron. But other than that, that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to the next one. Bye.